And our words are bag of mouth, our action, I do it. And love is an action word. Love is a word we easily use, most of the time used for deception. When it come on to this day called Valentine's Day, there's a lot of enticement and seduction. Worse, if you're single and lonely and not have nobody, a lot of con artists, Jezebel and Delilah, creep up during Valentine's Day. Not because a man buy you a box of roses or chocolate, mean him truly love you. Because love to him mean legs opening very easy, another quick way just to get in your panty. A woman might promise you to offer herself as a living sacrifice, but love to her mean to empty your pocket and your bank account and yam you down to size. Love mean different things to many people, but one thing me know. From you not deal with God love, which is agape love, all the other love meaningless. If our youth did have agape love, people wouldn't bad mind already over people things. The youth them wouldn't rape or molest or kill elderly or women and children. Because from you have true love, you are your brother's keeper. Love comes from God, and He is love. And from Him love, they on the inside of you. You love everybody, not just a selected few. This is just my rendition of the Valentine's Day tradition.